Thanks for tuning in for another Essential RC flight test, back for part 2 with the Omp Bighorn, this really fantastic high wing trainer bush plane that we flew last time in a bit of wind, and there's a little bit of wind today, but it flew fantastic. But I wanted to bring it out again to fly some aerobatics with it. A few commented that I didn't show the close-up detail on this, and it is beautiful the way it's put together. This isn't an injection molded foamy, this is made of balsa and ply, so it's super light. So come a bit closer, Carl, and I'll show. So you've got a hatch here, so you can put your receiver in the back there, easily done, and all the cables get routed into there. You see here, Carl, let me just put you on a different mode for focus. See that? To hold the wing on the carbon tube that you've got there, and then that just pops back on nicely. And then the access for your battery is here. You can get it off. So I'm using a 3S2200 pack. Again, it sits on a bit of Velcro and a Velcro strap that you've got there. XT60 connector. And then let's just show you underneath your servos and the nice carbon servo horns. Nice. It's just the covering is really nice and very well applied. The scheme, high visibility, and it comes in, I think at least one other colour, probably a red. Big barn door flaps, and it's just super easy to put together. As I was saying last time, on the tail plane, back in the day when we used to put these ARFs together, you got the tail plane and you had to cut off the film so that you could put the glue on the wood and put it in. They've already done that for you, so it literally just slides in. And then you have got, is it mylar, Carl, that material for the hinges? So the hinges are already glued into the rudder itself, and then you just push the rudder in with a bit of medium super glue, CA, on those rudder hinges, and that's done, and hook up. Just snap on the ball links for the control surfaces. So super easy to put together. Super easy, and I'm kind of intrigued as to how well it flies aerobatically. We're about to give it a go. So really easy knife edge. I'm not even using the full deflection. And this is the way that you turn it into a low wing sport plane. Half throttle. I actually prefer flying some of these high wingers inverted. I don't know why, but...
The Bighorn is also available the right way up.
Right. Maybe just a stall turn. ish. Try that again the other way.
I'd be interested to see if you could utilise those flaps to make it loop over in its own length.
Oh God! Should we try that?
Give it a go.
So, coming back, full flaps, and it pitches up, which is kind of understandable.
Yep, thought it might. Action.
That's the cops. That was an illegal move. Should we try that a bit closer and a bit higher? So full flap. Not bad. Right, hovering. Let's try a bit of a hover. I'm going to try to do this high, see how stable it is. Not bad. Try a little bit lower for the cameraman. Always try these high risk moves higher. 3 mistakes too high, my many years ago my instructor told me. Try again. You do you do have to stir the sticks. It's not easy, but that's why it's fun. Not like these extra 330s and yaks and things like that are built for it. This not bad. I've got to try it one more time because I'm having too much fun. You ready, Carl?
Yep.
It just gets higher and higher. Oh, it's falling out. Half flap, there is a little bit of wind, so I don't think I need full flap. I'm still going too fast, this thing floats. So there we go, that's the Omp Bighorn. A lot of fun, and it's super light, so it's really great for learning and for aerobatics as well. You could get a lot out of this model. Runs on a 3S 2200 to probably a 3000 pack. But I've got a 20, what did I show in there? A 2200 pack, so kept it light. So thanks for watching this essential RC flight test. Thanks to Carl on camera again, and we'll be back for another one with another one in the very near future. Thanks for watching, see you next time.